Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this crispy vegetable quesadillas. Alright, so here I'm spreading my black beans mixture. You can use pinto beans if you want. I just had a leftover black beans, so I'm using that. On top of that I'm just going to spread some cheese. I'm using a Mexican blend cheese. You can use any kind of cheese you like. And then I'm just going to spread chopped onions here and there. Some green bell peppers. If you don't like vegetables, you can completely skip it, or you can just make beans or cheese quesadilla, however you like. I'm just making vegetables, so I'm adding all this, or you can just use the vegetables you like. And then I'm just adding some tomatoes and sprinkle a bit of taco seasoning and adding more cheese on top, and then cover it with another tortilla. Now here I have skillet. I'm just going to spray a little bit of olive oil on it. Alright, so I'm going to slide my quesadilla on to the skillet and let it cook until it gets nice brown and crispy from the bottom. And now I'm going to spray on top before I flip it over. And now I'm going to gently flip this tortilla over, just like that. And now we are going to cook this tortilla from the other side as well until it gets nice and golden in color. Alright, so let's just check, and I can see it's ready. Take it out on your plate and cut it. I'm just cutting into the 4. Here our quesadillas ready, looking delicious. If you like more cheese, you can add more cheese. I don't like that much cheesy, so I didn't add a lot of cheese. Thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video.